Are you financially fit? You would say yes. Great. That's because you work. You receive sufficient income. And you pay for all the routine expenses. But have you achieved financial freedom? Inflation is the biggest hurdle in fulfilling financial needs. Will you be able to beat inflation and build wealth for the future? Thinking how you will do this? Simple. By investing in mutual funds. Long-term mutual fund investments can help you fulfill your financial needs. To know more, contact us today.